Okay, now I'm switching the battery. Okay, take the keys out. It's pretty easy. I think these are. There you go. Just make sure you put it back the same that you take it out. So this is a battery. So the new battery had to go this way. Okay, so just a little bit pushing it back here, then it'll coming out. Push it. There you go. And there you go. And put it the other way. That's good. So I put these key back in. Okay. Now let's go inside. Okay, now we test again, make sure. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any question, just subscribe below the video. Alright, thank you.